Eric here. I'm just out at this one park, waterfall. I'm gonna take some pictures, try some new exposures, new shutter speed ideas I have. It's raining right now though, so I don't know if I want to go out, but I don't know. I'm just gonna see, wait it out. Yeah. All right, so about this place, I've been here a lot. It's one of my favorite spots to take pictures though, and the place just never gets old. So I have a couple ideas for shots. Whoops. Just rained, so the textures are really good, colors are really good. But also I don't want to get myself wet. I love green. It's such a good color. Just look at that. Tell me that ain't good as heck. I want to get a lot of cinematics today too, because it seems like whenever I do that and make an edit off of that, it always gets a lot of views. People like edits, I guess, especially when they're with this Sony. I also want to like balance out vlogging and taking pictures, so I gotta vlog, take pictures, and get cinematics. A lot to do when it's just one guy. Oh yeah, I'm out here just by myself too. None of my friends wanted to do anything today, which is sad. It's like, come on dude, it's summer. I don't know. Annoying. And my female friend is out of the state too, so just doing stuff by myself. Which, I mean, is good, but like, I always have a lot more fun when I'm with a friend. I'm sure everyone does, but whatever. Recently I've been pretty inspired to do pictures and stuff, go out and take photos. I've been seeing a lot of love on my Instagram, eric.grimmer, check it out. But I just posted a photo yesterday and it is almost at 1,000 likes already. I think right now it's at like 975. And who knows, by now if you're checking this out, it might be at 1,000, which would be super crazy. It's already my most liked picture and it's only been a day. Check it out, it's this one. I'll just put it on my screen right here. One of my favorite pictures of all time I've ever taken. It's just, it's really good. It's probably the most original I've ever taken too. I say that loosely because nothing is original pretty much. I've been really inspired to go out and take photos, try new things and stuff. That's pretty much why I'm out here right now, by myself too. And also, like, a few months ago I did a vlog here about how like I'm growing out of exploring and just liking nature more, and that still stayed even truer. I don't like it anymore. Exploring is boring in my opinion. There's nothing new, it's all the same. The more I do it, the more I got bored of it. I just kind of like did it too much. Those 2 videos I posted the other day, the rooftop ones, I got a lot of hate from that. I just deleted those messages, didn't even open them. I'm just done. MSP, everyone that explores here, other than a handful of guys, are just extremely annoying and rude and jerks. I have no respect for them. That's why you see less and less exploring on our channel. It's just, I don't like anyone in it other than a handful of guys. I like nature a lot more. Way cooler stuff in my opinion. Like this, I love this. It's just so nice. Maybe I'm crazy, but it just might be a lunatic you're looking for. Oh yeah, also these bugs are insanely bad this year. I've gotten more bites than probably the last 5 years already, and it's been 3 weeks into summer, I think. It's so bad. The bug bites, I don't itch them. I'm not a baby, but like, it hurts real bad. A couple months ago I tried to get this shot, but Also, a couple months ago, it was super flooded, way worse than now. A couple of feet higher than now. But still, it's gonna be pretty hard because of all the splattering. But yeah, let's try to get it. Around this corner, it's gonna be super loud though, so. Hoping you can still hear me. Oh my gosh, it's bad. It's still bad. Still very bad. Okay, that was as bad, if not worse than before, because I tried to get that shot so many times. I almost got it. I think I have to go out one more time and get it though. The one shot I like, it's so close. I took my shirt off to dry my camera off. That's how bad it was. So I'm gonna go out and try it one more time. I'm gonna put on the GoPro this time to show you how bad it is. Alright, so I think I might have gotten it. I'm not sure though. Holy crap, I am soaking wet, dude. I had to take off my freaking shirt to keep my camera from being destroyed in the rain. Water. I am wet. Like Duke. Duke and Liberty are wet. I really hope I got those shots. I transferred them onto my phone and one of them looked really good. But when I transfer it to my phone, the quality doesn't stay the same. So I'm hoping it's even better on my Mac, but who knows? Yeah, that was painstaking and very wet. I don't like being in wet clothes. Right now, I'm in very wet clothes. One thing I don't really like about like summer is all the bugs. I know I said this before, but holy crap, they're very bad. They're still very bad. And I do not like this at all. So I want to put my drone up, but I'm pretty sure it just started raining. So that's good. No problem with me getting more wet, who cares? I'm already wet enough. Whoa. That was pretty much the only photo I wanted today. I gotta get some cinematics. God. First day with these new shoes. I didn't think I'd be getting dirty today, but I guess I underestimated how dirty I'd be getting. That's really blows. Hope I can clean them. Still soaking wet. But anyways, I'm leaving now. I'll just display the images as I took them back there. Hope you like this little vlog, photography vlog walk. Check out some of our other videos. Like, comment, and subscribe. Consider sharing with a friend. See you next time. At a Clippers game on the court side. Watch a nigga shoot like a 4-5. They mad at me too, I got more fire. Why these bitches see you? Go home ride.